Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back. Today's video is all about chrome. So if you're still struggling with chrome nails, doing chrome nail art, you're not really sure what's going wrong, then this video is for you. We're going to be going over 5 mistakes you may be making and how to fix them. So getting right into it, the most common mistake, you're curing your nails too long. So if you apply your no wipe top coat, you cure your nails, and when you go to rub on the chrome, it's just not sticking, then this is a mistake you're making. You don't want to cure your nails for 60 seconds or longer. That's just too much time. So instead, you want to cure your nails about 15 to 30 seconds, max 45, but 30 seconds is like your safe number. If you did already cure your nails for too long, then what you can do is wipe your nail off with rubbing alcohol and then reapply your top coat, cure for 15 to 30 seconds, and then rub on your chrome as you would normally. Mistake number 2, using your finger to apply the chrome. I actually see this one a lot, and the thing with this, it does work, and for some people this won't actually make a difference, but if you're finding that your nails are peeling or the chrome is kind of chipping off quickly, then this may be why, because your finger has natural oils on them. So the better option is just to use a silicone tool, eyeshadow applicator, makeup sponge, anything that's just not oily. Mistake number 3, after applying your chrome, you need to wipe off your nail before adding the top coat. So as you can see here, there's still some loose pigment around my nail, and when I go to apply my top coat, this is gonna get into my nail polish top coat brush, and it's kind of just dragging the glitter around my nail. So instead of just a chrome effect, I have loose glitter pieces just kind of hanging around. Honestly though, I don't mind the glitter. It can be cute if that's the look that you're going for. But if you want a true chrome look, then you're gonna go ahead and apply your chrome just like you did before. And what I like to do is take an empty eyeshadow applicator and just keep wiping that on my nail to get rid of all those loose pieces. I'll also use a big makeup brush or just any kind of fluffy brush and wipe off my nail to remove that excess powder. And make sure you're brushing it off your skin and your cuticle area too, because that will drag back onto your nail. It is a small thing, but here you can really see the difference that just wiping off the excess powder makes. The next mistake you may be making is not using a no wipe top coat and just applying the chrome directly onto the gel color. So as you can see, if you go to rub the chrome onto just the color, it will work, but it's not going to give you that mirror look. Instead, it's going to look almost like a metallic sort of situation, which you'll really see when I put them side by side. But instead, you want to make sure you're using a no wipe top coat. I'll have a few linked down below for you guys, but apply your no wipe top coat over your color, cure for 30 seconds, and then go and rub on your chrome. And here is a side by side on the difference that makes. The next mistake, if you're doing chrome and your final look just kind of looks lumpy, bumpy, it's because your top coat and or your base color is too. So the thing with chrome, it really shows any mistakes that you make. So when you're applying your colors, really make sure you're applying thin, even layers. Make sure there's no air bubbles. You don't want any lint or anything in there. One way to make sure this doesn't happen, after applying your color, you can take a makeup sponge and rubbing alcohol and just wipe your nail off clean before going in with your no wipe top coat. But yeah, those are the main mistakes I see and I've personally done when it comes to chrome. Once you get the hang of it though, it really is a fun and easy technique to do. So I hope this video helped. If you have more questions, feel free to comment them down below and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!